Today we're going to be doing this traditional crochet install with this super realistic kinky hair, and I'm going to include the takedown for the girls. So let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Shout out to HerGivenHair. Listen, if you don't know about HerGivenHair, let me go ahead and put you on. They are like the top dogs with the natural hair. Okay, natural hair extensions. Like, listen, they be saying kinky curly, but like this really be kinky curly. This is for my supernatural girls who want to keep their extensions supernatural looking. Okay, and I have their feather crochet hair that I'll be using for today's look. The links are down below. Y'all know what to do, and we finna get this head together, good girl. Yeah, we're gonna start by carving out our little bit of leave out. When I say I'm leaving out a little sliver, y'all see that little sliver, that's all she needs. Okay, and today pray for me, girl, we're gonna be doing a traditional crochet. Listen, these companies, they are pushing for their hair to be reusable, and I told you I would never do crochet again without a cap because the takedown can really be horrendous. But they was like, listen, please try to do the crochet on the braids. They sent me like a video of like how to take them out, and I was like, you know what, okay, we gonna try it. So the key to getting this crochet thing right is just having a good foundation. So having some nice medium to big, I would honestly say big braids to anchor onto, and that pattern to just be as simple as possible to where you can take each braid out one by one, because that's gonna be our takedown. Okay, and we're not zigzagging the braids. We need braids that we can see clearly, that we can keep everything in its rightful place. Okay, and so we can take them down the same way we put them in. Having thicker braids to do my crochet on really changed the game for me, because y'all, when I started off doing crochet, I was doing tiny braids. Like, I'm just used to like a, you know, real nice and neat, like just tiny braid pattern. But girl, that's what made for a horrendous takedown. So making those braids nice and juicy, it gives you a better foundation just to crochet on, because you don't want to really crochet around the whole braid, and I did do that in some places, but here's what you really want to do. You want to stick it like through the middle of the braid, and in some of those spaces where I did like loop the crochet around the whole braid, oh girl, it hurt. It was like pulling, and I was like, okay, yeah. As I was going, I was just figuring it out, like, yeah, it's much better to loop or to do the crochet, boom, like that in the middle of the braid. And you know, it makes it also a lot fuller because you can add more pieces, so you can hide like all of the parts. Yeah, as y'all can see, boom, bala bam, everything is just like on each braid. That was also another mistake I was making. I was just putting a crochet anywhere, like even if it was like on my hair a little bit, like the like little spaces in between. No, keep it on the braid. I promise you can make it as full as you need to. Also the other key is having that anchor braid. So wherever your leave out is going to be, you want the anchor braid to be like parallel to that leave out, and that's what's going to cover everything. Because without that, then yes, you could see like the spaces and the parts and everything, but as long as you got that anchor braid, baby, you can go ahead and add them crochets to the anchor braid and hide everything else, and boom, look at that. Yeah, we finna get to blending. It's the next morning and yeah, we're gonna get it together, because this hair was like a sponge, y'all. Let me be honest, I ain't have a lot of faith in this hair. I was like, oh, this is a lot of hair. Do I feel like doing all of this? Is this gonna be a lot of work? But let me tell you, HerGivenHair always come through with good quality. And all I had to do was spray this hair, put a little gel on. It wasn't tangly. I was fearful, y'all. I was like, this is gonna be too much. But no, putting that gel, water and gel on, and that was it. And the curls are so freaking pretty. Like, it's literally like natural hair, like so pretty. And I was so shocked on how long this hair actually was. Like, shrinkage for real. Like, I'm telling y'all, this hair is like real life natural hair. Okay, and yeah, the hair was super long. 20 inches, definitely was 20 inches. Yeah, that shrinkage is real. And so yeah, I'm just gonna define the curls and blend in my hair. My hair was super easy to blend in. I did the same thing to my hair, just wet it, put the gel on, and yeah, y'all will see everything, how I styled it and how I just shaped it to my face and everything, you know, at the end of this video. And y'all stay tuned for the takedown at the end. I hear the girls, I hear y'all every time. Y'all like, just show the takedown, because we ain't trying to do all this, get home, do our little DIY, and then be stuck and confused with the takedown. I hear y'all. I really, really do. And it took me a little experimenting myself. Like, I am not, I was gonna say I'm not new to this, I'm true to this. No, I'm actually new to this. Like, I'm new to crochet. Just last year I started crochet. I did not like crochet, but you know, I've been experimenting. I never did it like on clients or anything. Like, crochet last year was like a new thing for me. So I've, you know, throughout my different installs, I've just been learning along the way. But you know, this install right here, this one right here, if you really want to be able to reuse your hair and, you know, have an easy takedown, I think we done found the way, girls. Okay, well, I'm gonna let y'all watch the rest of the video just to see how everything goes. And yeah, y'all meet me in the comments down below. Thank y'all for watching. This ain't the end of the video now. Keep watching. I'm just logging off. So yeah, see y'all.